This sounds fake, but I promise you, it's very real. Hey, I just got a promotion. Not to an assistant, not to a chatbot, but to an intern. Yes, an AI intern. And no, it doesn't just code. The company Anthropic just launched a new AI that performs real, tangible office work. We're talking about the boring stuff, the I'll get to it later tasks that pile up on everyone's desk. It organizes your files, it summarizes long documents, it compiles detailed reports from scattered data, and it even cleans up those digital folders you forgot ever existed. The most mind-blowing part? You don't have to be a programmer to use it. You don't need to learn complex prompting like some kind of tech wizard. You just tell it in plain English, do this, and it just does it. Now, that's both the scary part and the incredibly impressive part. This isn't just another AI that can answer questions or generate text. This is an AI that actively finishes tasks. Let that sink in for a moment. For years, we've seen AI that talks a good game. Now we have an AI that actually works. This new system operates like a junior employee, a genuine intern. Except, it never needs to sleep. It never complains about the workload, and it can complete in minutes what might take a person hours or even days. So we have to be honest with ourselves and ask some tough questions. If an AI can now reliably perform intern-level work, what does that mean for the future of internships? What happens to those crucial entry-level jobs that have always been the first step on the career ladder for so many people? And let's take it one step further. What happens when your boss realizes that an AI intern doesn't just work faster, but it also never asks for a raise, never takes a vacation, and never calls in sick? This is a fundamental shift in how we think about workforce automation. Here's the wild twist that really changes the game. This AI wasn't built exclusively for software developers or data scientists. It was specifically designed for normal, everyday people. It's for marketers trying to analyze campaign data, for managers who need to create weekly summaries, for students drowning in research papers, and for any office worker who has a laptop and way too much on their plate. This is AI officially crossing a very important line. It's moving beyond just helping humans and into the territory of replacing human tasks. And history has shown us that once a door like that is opened, it very rarely, if ever, closes again. We are at the very beginning of a transformation that could redefine what it means to work. The implications are enormous, touching every industry and every level of employment. We're not just talking about automating factory floors anymore. We're talking about automating the office itself, the very place where white-collar work gets done. This isn't a distant, futuristic concept. It's happening right now, and the pace of change is only accelerating. Now, I genuinely want to know your opinion on this. Let's make this a conversation. Would you hire an AI intern for your own business or team to handle the grunt work? Or, on the other hand, are you worried that this technology might one day make your own role, or the roles of those around you, redundant? Are we on the verge of a productivity boom, or are we automating ourselves out of a job? Drop your honest answer in the comments below. I'll be reading through them to see what you all think. If this video made you think, even for a second, please hit that like button so YouTube knows this is a conversation worth having. And make sure you subscribe to my channel, because this AI shift is just getting started and you won't want to miss what comes next. Thanks for watching.